Dear brothers and sisters, the readings we have heard today are very much in tune with the theme for reflection. The theme is allowing. Let's inspire young hearts to discover God's dream. The readings speak about forming, allowing ourselves to be formed, fulfilling our dreams. You heard about the potter who takes clay in his hands and forms a pot. He has a little idea in his mind what kind of a pot he wants to make. So he works on it. And at times, maybe due to lack of concentration, the clay while molding breaks off. But then he doesn't give up on the clay, doesn't throw it out. He's saying, you're useless, I tried so much. No, he works on that again and again till he's able to fulfill the dream he had, the idea he had in his mind. The same thing with us. God has a plan for each one of us. We are like clay. He wants us to become like Him in His own image and likeness. But we being formed, we must allow ourselves to be formed. We should allow us to let go into His hands. When we let go into His hands, the Lord forms us. But at times we want to go our own way. At that time, God doesn't leave us. He says, you go to hell. He doesn't leave us. He comes behind us. Come, He says, come, I have a plan for you. I have a plan for you. I want to fulfill your dreams. Just like any students. Now today we have got students from the school for their orientation. God has a plan for them. The plan will be fulfilled only if they let themselves go into God's hands. And therefore, let us send God's hand, whether we are young or not so young. He has plans for us every day. You need to let us send in God's hands. We look at the life of Ignatius, we find he let himself go into God's hands while recovering. What does God want from me? Earlier, these were my plans, but now He has got different plans for me. He let himself go. And once he had done that, God formed him into a person he wanted to be, and later on with his own companions, he formed a society. You would go through his life, you find whatever experience he had in his mind, he shared. Well, during college studies when he was in his 30s, but there were youngsters along with him in college studies. So whatever he had experienced, he shared with the youngsters and formed them. We also can form our youngsters, provided we want to. Our life, the values we live for our life, should inspire youngsters to fulfill the dream God has for them. Let our lives be inspiring. So youngsters who look at us say, you are my inspiration. I have a dream. I have seen in your eyes, in your work, the dream being fulfilled. So let our lives be inspire youngsters so that the plan God has for them may be fulfilled in them.